I'm Aaron Barklage, metallurgical engineer with Schaefer Engineering. An important part of any forensic investigation is an evaluation of the materials involved. One common failure mode for materials is corrosion. What is corrosion? One example everyone's familiar with is rusting of steel on your car body. And corrosion is a complex topic with many environmental and other factors. But think about it like this. All metals come from the ground in the form of ores, and they really only exist as metals temporarily and really kind of want to get back to that ore state. So that's why your iron is readily going to oxidize. It's just trying to go back to its home as ore. One particular type of corrosion that is of interest to a forensic investigator is stress corrosion cracking, or SCC. SCC is a type of mechanically assisted corrosion where you have a combination of tensile stress on the material and a corrosive environment, which causes a normally ductile material to behave in a brittle manner. So what does that mean? Basically, your part made out of a ductile material, such as brass, may suddenly fail in a brittle manner and break when you're not expecting it to. And one particular situation where this occurs is if you're using brass fittings in propane service. If the propane becomes contaminated with ammonia, it can cause your brass fittings to corrode to crack via stress corrosion cracking, or SCC. This can cause a release of propane, which may lead to a fire or other event. So if you suspect this may have occurred, you may want to take a sample of the liquid propane and send it off to a laboratory for analysis to see if there is ammonia or other contamination that could cause problems with your brass fittings. So in summary, corrosion of materials and materials in general are an important part of any forensic investigation. You may want to check to see if the metals involved in your investigation were subjected to an environment that is corrosive to them. And one way to check this is using the Corrosion Data Survey, which is a NACE publication. And this lists common engineering metals and many different corrosive environments. And it can tell you whether the material you're using may have been affected by corrosion. I'm Aaron Barklage, metallurgical engineer from Schaefer Engineering. Thanks for watching.